Welcome! Today, we'll explore an easy way to batch watermark images with ChatGPT. Let's dive in. Watermarking protects your images from unauthorized use. But doing it individually is tedious. Let's simplify. Using ChatGPT, you can generate text-based commands to watermark multiple images at once, saving you time. First, gather your images. Ensure they're in a format supported by your editing software. Next, specify your watermark text. ChatGPT can help create a unique style just for you. Now, copy the generated commands and paste them into your editing software. It's straightforward. After inputting, preview the images. Adjust the position and size of your watermark as necessary. Finally, export your watermarked images as a batch. You're done! Safe and stylish. And there you have it. Batch watermarking made easy with ChatGPT. Protect your work efficiently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on digital content management. Thanks for watching. Keep creating and protecting your masterpieces.